garden, but today I'm harvesting some vegetables from that box. Some leafy greens for our soup. We have more vegetables here. I'll harvest some from here. Harvesting these vegetables for our soup. Look at this. These two are mustard spinach, a cross between mustard and spinach. So harvesting some from here. That's the beautiful news. Here are the harvest. The side is loaded with lemons and also with calamansi. Look at all the calamansi here. Let's go underneath. Look at all the calamansi. You see? Only from this branch, right? There's a lot already. Here's my calamansi harvest. And there are a lot that are small too. Look, so it's like ever bearing. After the ripe ones are gone, there are calamansi that are next in line, like this, tiny ones. Here's my harvest, the leafy greens and then the calamansi. And now let's add this is almost ready, or it's actually ready. So the last ingredient, the vegetables from the backyard garden, freshly picked vegetables from the backyard garden. Let's just add them here. This is a very nutritious soup. In they call this a sibut. This is more of a Filipino Chinese recipe. Oh, this is a Chinese recipe, very popular among Filipino Chinese. Husband is Filipino Chinese. It's the perfect winter soup too. A pot of Silkie chicken soup with corn and shiitake mushroom, and then leafy greens from the backyard garden. This is the Silkie chicken that I will use on this recipe. Silkie chicken this is from Canada. Silkie chicken. This is actually the feathers are white, but then the skin is black. I'll show you. So it's $11.99 per piece. This is one chicken, and then I'm using two. As you can see from here, the skin is black. You see, This is more of a medicinal soup, so I'm using this one. I need to soak this in water first, and then also shiitake mushroom, dried shiitake mushroom. Now they are soaked in water. This and then this one. I wash them thoroughly first. Now let's add the herbs. These are fresh corn that we got from the market earlier, and then I just remove the husk and divide them into like quarter. And let's add the shiitake mushroom too, which we soaked in water earlier to hydrate. There we go. And then let's season it with like salt. And then freshly cracked peppercorns. So the last ingredient, the vegetables from the backyard garden, freshly picked vegetables from the backyard garden. Let's just add them here. This is a very nutritious like soup. Let's place the soup here. This is like a donabe pot. We got this from the Japanese, Japanese store, like a boutique store where they sell like specialized like clay pots in Little Tokyo. I'm going to add the link below. And here's our soup, our Silkie chicken soup with corn and vegetables, mushroom and leafy greens. Let's eat. Look at the broth. That is so very, very flavorful and health and nutritious too.
Hi. Hi, we're at Utsuwa no Yakata, our favorite store.
Look at this tea set. I have more over there. Let's look around. Come here, Josh. I like this one. Look at this bowl. I love this. Oh my, they have a lot of beautiful stuff. Hi, Josh. How are you? This is Daddy and Mommy's favorite place. Look at how cute. This one too is very cute. Yeah, this. Oh yeah, this is so pretty, but it's expensive. It's actually $30. Like this one. Look, it's like this is $30. This one. Guess how much this one is? It's like $58. Just for this one. This is Utsuwa no Yakata. It's pretty stuff.
You want that? You can put it in our room.